Namaskar, my friend. Last time, our machine grew a brain and learned to see. But today, a bigger magic. How did it learn to talk? To finish your sentence almost before you do. Chalo, let us open this magic box. Quick recap. We built a brain out of tiny clerks, showed it a photo, and out popped the answer cat. Wonderful. It could recognize things. But recognizing is one thing. Talking is a whole other beast. To say even one good sentence, you need grammar, meaning, facts, and a little timing for the joke. How do you teach a machine all of that at once? It sounds impossible. And no, we are not writing the rulebook again. We learned that lesson the hard way with the cat. A rulebook for all of human language? Array, that book would never, ever end. So the real trick will surprise you. It is almost insultingly simple. The machine does just one tiny thing, again and again and again. Here it is. Give it a few words, and it simply guesses what word comes next. The cat sat on the mat. That's it. That is the entire secret of every chatbot you have ever used. And you already do this every single day. I say, mere paas, and your whole body wants to shout back, ma hai. That little reflex, that finishing of a famous line, is exactly what the machine learns to do. Look at your own phone. You type good, and up pop three little words, morning, night, luck. That tiny suggestion bar above your keyboard is a baby version of this very same idea. Now imagine that humble little suggestion bar, but fed almost everything ever written. Books, websites, arguments, recipes. That, my friend, is a large language model. Autocomplete that swallowed the whole internet. But here is the sweet part. It does not write the full answer in one breath. It writes just one word. Then it stops and thinks all over again. And what does it think about? Its own words. It adds the word it just wrote, reads the whole line again from the start, and guesses the next one. Round and round, like a singer carrying on an antakshari all by himself. One guess, then another, then another. And slowly, a single word becomes a sentence. A sentence becomes a whole paragraph. A long, clever answer built one humble word at a time. Now you, my sharp student, will ask the perfect question. But Guruji, how does it pick? There are thousands of words it could choose. How does it know which one comes next? Lovely question. For every possible next word, the machine quietly gives a score. How likely are you to come next? Thousands of words, each handed a little number. Take the words, the sky is. Now blue scores very high, maybe 90 out of 100. Grey, a little. Green, almost nothing. And samosa? Array, 0. It simply knows blue belongs there. Then it usually picks one of the high-scoring words and writes it down. Why usually, and not always? Ah, that is a delicious little secret we will open on another day. But wait. Who taught it these scores? Who whispered that blue beats samosa? Nobody sat down and typed that in. So where on earth did it come from? And here is the part people find hardest to believe. It is not looking anything up. There is no giant table, no secret dictionary it searches through. Nothing like that at all. Instead, by reading mountains and mountains of text, it slowly learned how words behave together. Like a child who has overheard a million conversations and simply knows what sounds right. Grammar, little facts, even the shape of a joke to the machine, these are all just patterns in how words follow words. No rules written down anywhere. Only patterns, quietly learned. And does that sound familiar? Of course it does. It is the exact same idea as the cat. Stop teaching rules. Let the machine learn the pattern all by itself. Our old friend in a brand new costume. So the next time ChatGPT answers you, picture this. It is not reciting from a book somewhere. It is simply guessing the next word, then the next, faster than you can blink. So let us tie the thread, the way your old school master always does. 1. Teaching a machine to talk sounded utterly impossible. Far too messy for any rulebook ever written. 2. But the real trick was tiny. Just guess the next word, using the scores it learned from quietly reading everything. 3. Repeat that little guess, one word at a time, again, and a whole intelligent answer simply appears. Next time, a puzzle that will truly surprise you, this clever machine cannot actually read your letters at all. If your mind lit up even a little today, come and learn properly with us at AI Academy. The link is right below, and the first lessons are absolutely free. Till then, keep your curiosity bigger than your fear. Chalo! AI Academy by Concept Good.